Coucou, c'est une nouvelle semaine qui commence et je vais te parler des nouvelles ressources et des nouvelles fonctionnalités sur la partie abonnement de mon site parce qu'il y a du nouveau. Alors je vais te parler en anglais pour tout expliquer. Tu es prêt ou tu es prête? C'est parti! anisayel.com pour acquérir le français naturellement. So I'm going to speak in English because I'm very excited to share with you new features on the membership site. So when you're a member, you go to the member area on my site and you land on the welcome page. Now there are new resources this week. There is a fun story about a man who is in a hurry, un homme pressé. And you can see, so you can listen to it.
Un homme pressé. Il y a un homme. Il s'appelle Yoshi.
And you can see at the top of the page the new feature I'm very excited to share with you, the dyslexic font. If you're dyslexic, you are now able to read the text in French and you're able to acquire French naturally. So you turn it on and you see the font, which is for if you are dyslexic. And when you turn this on, you can also read all the other texts. You have at the bottom of the page other resources, and all the other resources are also turned on to the dyslexic font. So I think it's great. Another new resource is a legend for intermediate learners to advanced learners. Eirete la petite indienne.
Eirete la petite indienne. D'après une légende guarani du Paraguay.
And le jour du déménagement is an authentic resource. It's an article from the Belgium Radio and Television.
Le jour du déménagement. Chaque 1er juillet, des milliers de Québécois déménagent en même temps.
And it's about what's happening in Quebec. In Canada, you know, in Quebec they speak French. What's happening on the 1st of July. And you have les liens utiles. I've added the source of the text, of the article, and a video from by Hélène se promène, which you can watch. She also talks about this special event. Et the new video I published on Saturday, I've added the script, la statue de Saint Jérôme, and you can now also listen to the script, but it's not my voice. It's a synthesized voice, une voix synthétique.
La statue de Saint Jérôme. Je me trouve dans mon quartier à Braga, sur une petite place à côté de là où j'habite.
It's very natural. Indeed. It's really, this voice is great, I think. And you can also watch my video or if you've watched it already, then you can read the script. And for the suggestions for this week, my weekly suggestions, you have for Monday, lundi, you have a very easy text, Caroline la poupée.
Caroline la poupée. Il y a une poupée.
And if you go at the bottom of the text, you will see target structures, a glossary of the key the key sentences in the text. So it's perfect if you're a beginner. Mardi, un homme pressé, the new resource I showed you before. Mercredi, Une théière très mignonne. It's about a teapot.
Une théière très mignonne. Il y a un objet.
And you will be able to acquire also this the description of the parts of the body. There are many details in this text, but it's perfect also if you are a beginner. Jeudi, it's the same text, une théière très mignonne, but it's the same story, not the same text. But it's from the point of view of Rosie. Rosie is the teapot. So you are now have the chance to read the text in the I form, je.
Une théière très mignonne. Le point de vue de Rosie. Bonjour, je m'appelle Rosie et je suis une théière.
And remember, you can turn on the dyslexic font. I love it. I think it's great. And vendredi, again, the same story, but this time it's from the point of view of Sarah. So again, you have the chance to read a text in the I form, je.
Une théière très mignonne. Le point de vue de Sarah. Bonjour, je m'appelle Sarah et je suis une femme.
And for the weekend, why don't you watch this legend from Paraguay, Et était la petite indienne, and you can also read the script of a recent video I made about Portugal, and in this video is also about embroidery. So it's the same theme, the same topic as the legend.
Les mouchoirs des amoureux. Pour décorer ma nouvelle cuisine, j'ai acheté cette jolie pièce de tissu au marché de Villaverde et j'ai aussi reçu ce joli plateau pour mon anniversaire.
And because it is a video script, you heard the voice. It's again a synthesized voice, but it's very natural, isn't it? And you have the playlist of all the texts, of all the stories for the week. Caroline la poupée, un homme pressé, une théière très mignonne, le point de vue de Rosie, le point de vue de Sarah et Irete la petite indienne. You can play this playlist anywhere, in your car, in your kitchen, in your bathroom. Remember, you acquire French when you understand what you hear and what you read. That's it. So happy French acquisition. À bientôt!